long-term wealth through property is built with patience planning and smart choices. The strongest property investments focus on three core strategies: rental income, land holding, and value appreciation. Rental income provides steady cash flow. A well-located property with practical design can generate consistent income while covering its own costs. Over time, rental properties become reliable financial assets. Land holding is a strategy based on patience. The value of land grows as development expands, infrastructure improves, and demand increases. Choosing the right location is more important than speed, value appreciation care. Comes properties in growing areas, when maintained properly, naturally increase in worth. This growth protects capital and strengthens long-term returns.